Today I'm making plum buns. Ingredients are 500 grams of flour, 80 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 250 milliliters of milk, 80 grams of butter, 40 grams of fresh yeast, and for filling, plum jam. I have a recipe for plum jam on my channel, which you can find if you click the link in the upper right corner of the video. To get the dough started, pour flour and sugar into a bowl and use a spoon to form a sort of crater. Crumble up the fresh yeast. Next, warm the milk and melt the butter in a small pot on low heat. Not too hot, only warm. Pour the warm milk over the yeast and cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel. Allow to rest for about 20 minutes. Yeast likes warmth and lots of rest, which, same. Keep your dough cozy and you'll get great results. When lifting the towel, you should be able to smell that lovely yeasty scent. Now add the eggs. Grab a wooden spoon and stir vigorously until you see the dough no longer sticks to the sides of your bowl. This should take around 2 to 3 minutes. Cover again and allow to rest for 1 to 2 hours or until the dough has doubled in size. Let's see if it's worked. It's about to get messy. This is the fun part. Dust your workspace with flour and scoop the dough out of the bowl. Give your dough a good knead through. Now grab a rolling pin and spread the dough until it's about half a centimeter to 1 centimeter thick. Spread plum jam to taste. If you like your bun sticky, add more. Now roll up. Fetch a baking tin and grease the bottom and sides with butter. Cut your roll into slices around 3 centimeters thick and stand them upright in the tin. By upright, I mean cut side up. Let the rolls rest for the last time for about 30 minutes. Get a small dish and combine a teaspoon of cinnamon with around 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sprinkle a generous amount on your plum buns. Put in the oven for 25 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And here's the final result. Fluffy, sticky and sweet. The perfect autumn treat. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.